In front of me is ZTE A73 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by going into settings and scrolling down right away to access password and security. Then click on screen lock at the top and click on one of those login methods, pattern, PIN or complex password. Wherever you decided when you're ready, create it. Select next at the bottom right corner and repeat it to confirm it. Last but not least, hit confirm. So finally, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!